Good morning guys and welcome in this new episode of 1 Year with Film Only. Today we are talking about printing images and photo books. Make sure that you keep watching until the end because I have a small surprise for you later. I've been recently selected by the company called Sal Digital to review their products, and they asked me to review their photo book. So they offered me to send this to me for free and in exchange of my thoughts on their product. I can already tell you I absolutely love it. The finish quality is fantastic. They have a world-class customer service. I've had a few questions with them and they always answer really quickly and with clear explanation about everything. And yeah, I love it. So I'm going to show you quickly the product, why I chose this one, and how you can build your own product with using their software. So let me present you the features of the book. Okay, so you have the option to receive the book in a gift box. So I chose the white one. It's really nice finish. There is a kind of magnet to keep the box completely closed. Okay. So it's been a long time since I wanted to print pictures of my X-Men, because since I got it, I couldn't really find a lab that is able to print those images with this specific aspect ratio. And I finally found this company that could finally print a book with the X-Pan pictures in plain page. And they also have a lay flat junction here. So you can see I have the whole picture without separation and I don't lose any part of the image. The image quality is really nice, considering that I scanned these images myself with like you could see in the previous episode. In case you haven't watched it yet, I'll put up a small note here so you can check it out. I'm really amazed with the quality. It's really fantastic. You barely see the grain of the images. Maybe this one on the darkest areas, but what can you expect when shooting film? You always have this kind of grain in darker spots, but otherwise it's really sharp. The color rendition is also really, as I saw it on my screen. I also calibrate my screen from time to time, but it's really exactly what I had in mind. Really guys, I can only recommend this product. Let me show you a quick close-up of the junction like I was talking about. I hope I can make this nice for you. As you can see here, there is no cut, no separation. It's really the plain image that you can see. And yeah, everything is beautiful about this book. I could finally enjoy my X-Pan images. So I'm not gonna go through all the pictures with you, but I absolutely love it. Another thing that is amazing is the padded cover. It's an option that you can add, but I don't know if you can see the thickness, and it's really soft. There is a kind of foam inside, a kind of layer, and it makes it really comfortable, you know. Look, you can even use it like this. And it's so comfy. I could sleep on this literally. It's so good. It makes the book really soft and comfortable to handle. You don't want to leave it, you know. You just want to keep holding the book. It's so comfortable. I really encourage you to take this option. It's only £5 on top, but it really makes a nice finish to the book and it gives like a really luxurious feel. So about the book, that's really all I have to say. I love it. I really encourage you to try it out. It's really nice to see your pictures printed with a professional quality. We don't print enough our pictures, and I think it's really nice when you have like fine images, at least that I like, to see them printed, because we just see them on the screen all day long, you know, and after a while we just forget them. So when you have this book, you can present it to your friends, your family, and it's really a nice way to interact with your pictures, to hold them and see them with your real eyes, if I can say. Yeah, that's it guys for me. Now let me show you on the computer how their software works. It's really easy and straightforward, but I just want to show you a quick overview of how I did for my book. And yeah, that's it. So let's go. Okay, so the first thing we need to do here is download their software. Just go to sal-digital.co.uk. It's written here, so saal-digital.co.uk. And you're going to reach this page. From here, just click here to download the software either for Mac or PC. The download will start automatically. You have nothing to do, then just to run your installer. I've already done that, so I'm going to skip this step. I'm just going to start it from here. Whoop. Okay, it's working now. From the main page, we're going to choose the type of product we want, because you're going to see they have a really large variety of products you can choose from. The one that we want today is of course the photo book, so I'm going to choose this one. Here you have different options with different type of books, but the one we want today is the first one. Here we're going to choose the aspect ratio. There are different types of photo book you can choose from, like this one will be a square format, this one is like more a portrait look. The one I'm looking for today is the panoramic version, so you can choose either this one or the bigger one, which is the 42 by 28, but you need a really large table if you want to use this book. For me, I chose the 28 by 19, that's the one you saw before. I'm going to choose this, and from here we're going to choose different type of options. The first one is the cover. You can choose a glossy cover, or if you want, you have all sort of layers, different colors. You have linen, which is a kind of fabric, or other finish like metallic or wood stuff. The one I want is the matte version. Here it gives you a quick warning that is not suited for dark images. I guess it gives kind of a pale look to the black, so you want to avoid dark images with the matte finish. But I'm gonna have a bright image, so it's fine. The next thing is the padding. As you could see before, I really love this option, so for £5 I really think you should choose it. It really gives a nice finish, and yeah, it makes the book really pleasant to hold. Make sure that you check this option. Then the spread is if you want a glossy or matte images. I chose the glossy because I want vivid colors and contrasty black and white, so I stick to this one. Then you have the barcode. I assume this barcode, the kind of QR code that you can see here, it helps them when they are fabricating the books to sort them, so maybe it makes an extra step to remove the code, but I want mine without any marks and just the plain images. That's why I removed it. And then we're gonna choose the gift box. I went for the white one, but I didn't really pay attention, but it's clearly displayed here that the foam is black. I would have preferred, to be honest, a white foam inside. If I had to choose again, I would go for the black one. It looks much better, I think. And finish with the number of pages. So by default, you have 26 pages selected. They offer you different options, but you can also choose directly if you want 28, 30, and so on, and until 114 pages. And next to each number of pages, you have the price that corresponds from. Don't worry too much with this step for now, because when we will be building the book, you can always add or remove pages. Unless you have a predefined amount of pages that you need, you can pick it directly from here. Otherwise, just go with the first one and build up your book as you go. So we're going to start with the design. First, you have the options to choose templates. I just want the plain images, as I said. I don't want anything around, so I go with the empty templates. And from here, you can browse for the folder where you have your images. So I already have one selected here, and here the image contain. I'm going to look for the cover, so that's the one I went for. I'm going to drag and drop, and here you can adjust the position, so I like it like this. And next we're just going to drag and drop the images onto the pages. It's simple as that. There is really nothing complicated in there. I'm going quickly here because I don't want you to lose too much time. Just a quick info is when you have an image that has been that is already in the book, you can see a small check mark here. I think it's quite helpful if you have a large amount of pictures that you are working with, just so you know which one is in the book already or not. Okay. Also, another thing, if you want to invert an image or reposition it in arrange the order, you can have you can drag and drop like this and change the position of an image as you want. As you can see, again, it's very, very easy. And what am I missing? So I have this, I think I have one left somewhere. Oh yeah, this one. Okay, so my book is completed. The next thing here, you have options to choose, like to add layers. I think like you would do in Photoshop. You can add maybe text or kind of effects, but for me, I won't go crazy with this book. I just want it simple. So now add it to your shopping cart when you are done. Here we have a quick overview of the options we've selected. You can always change anything from here, but I'm good with that. And I'm gonna save it, my photo book number 2. Oh, I see I've already have one that I've done before as a test. So I'm gonna remove one, yes. Next, here you choose your billing address, your delivery address. Choose your payment method, your shipping method as well, but I think they only work with DHL. Maybe it changes depending on where you're living. And now here, that's the surprise I was talking earlier in the beginning of the video. They kindly offer for all my subscribers a special discount. If you spend at least £39.95 or 99, let's say £40, you get a £20 discount. So it makes like 50% discount for an order of £40. This discount is valid on all their products. And as long as you spend £40, you get a £20 discount with this code. So it's 1 year with film only 17. So the only thing that you have to pay attention is to make sure the letters are in capital. It's case sensitive. If you write in small letters, the code won't work. Then click on next. And we will see that the amount of £20 here has been deduced from the total. So when you're ready, you can click on buy now. I'm not gonna do it now because I already received my book. I don't need another one, but just so you know how it works. And that's it, guys. There's not much to say about this company, apart that I love it. It's great, a great product. They are doing a fantastic job. I would never recommend this book if I didn't like it and believe in it. It's not because I got it for free that I'm saying good things about it. It's really something that I love. And I think that's why they selected a few photographers and give them photo books for free to review. It's because they really believe in what they are doing and they are sure that the quality is fantastic. So give it a try and use the promo code I gave you before. You can find it in the description and I'll put you all the links in there. If you enjoyed this episode, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I have more videos coming soon. And until then, see you guys.